Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sidra Rajput. Hope you guys are doing very well. So today I'm here with three unique and easy hijab styles. So I have this headband which I'm gonna use in hijab to make my style more beautiful. This headband are loved by people these days, especially the young, and I like too. So guys, people are use this headband in many different ways, so that's why I thought why not I use this headband in my hijab to make my style more beautiful. So yeah, as you can see, my hijab looking really nice. So guys, I will make three hijab styles in this video, so watch this video in the end and like, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, without further delay, let's start the video.